Yes.
What is up, you guys? I know my audio is broke because I have no audio. And today I ain't gonna be playing a game. A game known as Flood Escape. It will sound horrible because my brother is doing something I told him not to do with close to me, because right now I'm doing something and I'm taking a screenshot about it. Okay, as you know, probably everybody knows about this game. It is known as Flood Escape 2. This game right here was updated some days ago. But the best update was when they made it better for you playing this. Today, I'm gonna be playing because I wanna play. And